Do you know what the lights on your dashboard mean? Let's break down 4 of the ones you should never ignore. Here's what your dashboard lights are telling you. First up, the check engine light. This means that there's something wrong in your engine system. Sometimes it's as simple as a loose gas cap, or it could mean a major problem. Either way, don't ignore it. Check it out. Next, we have the airbag warning light. If this light stays on, it means your airbags will not deploy in a crash. This is a serious safety risk. You're not afraid? Call the mechanic now. Then there's the battery warning light. This usually means that your battery or alternator is failing. If you keep driving, your car could stall at any time. Don't wait till you're stranded. Check it out now. And finally, the oil pressure light. Low oil pressure means your engine isn't being lubricated properly. And driving like this can destroy your engine completely. Stop driving the car still and go get it checked out. Your dashboard is your car talking to you. Don't wait until it's too late. How about I wait for the emojis for sure? Get it checked out from now. Stay tuned for part 2. And remember, it hurts if you don't check brakes.